grade child would be screened at least once in nursery, once in primary, and once in secondary, meaning that they'll get 3 screening during their school life. And any problem that we find, we will be able to fix it so that these children can grow up healthy.
Health, shaping a modern healthcare system. In the last year, the government upgraded 153 health facilities nationwide. Adding to that, a new health center was commissioned on the east bank of Demerara, costing $120 million. The residents of Fort Ordnance in Region 6 got a spanking new $38 million health center last August. To meet the growing demand for healthcare practitioners, 29 pharmacy assistants graduated in Region 6. Another 128 healthcare professionals graduated from the Special Ministry of Health Clinical Training Program.
I hope that as you graduate today, that you think about the career path that you would like to have in the ministry. We want you to stay with us for as long as possible and not just start your career with us.
In January of this year, a sod turning ceremony was held for a new $881 million medical training facility for nurses at Suddy.
The government of Guyana, the president, is extremely pleased to situate this nursing school here because we know that it is going to be a game changer.
At the third Mental Health and Wellbeing Conference that was held in Georgetown last December, the government pledged to adequately fund the ministry's mental health program. Earlier this year, 24 community health workers were certified by the Ministry of Health. And in April, the ministry launched a critically important action plan to curb substance abuse and tackle the country's suicide rates.
One of the things that you will see in the new action plan was an area that we hadn't paid a lot of attention to, and that is the area of substance abuse.
In 2023, health facilities in Region 6 received 3 X-ray machines. Meanwhile, various riverine communities received engine and boats to treat persons in remote areas. The 2024 budget invested a staggering $129 billion for medical equipment and infrastructure upgrades. A new $3 million dental clinic was commissioned at the Cumberland Health Center. The Maikoni Hospital received a digital X-ray machine valuing $79 million. The Ministry of Health was grateful to receive 300 sexual assault kits. The kits will be used to enhance justice for hinterland women. Meanwhile, the hinterland community of Karasabai in Region 9 now have access to ultrasound services. And the residents of Fort Wellington in Region 5 were given a digital X-ray unit. An oxygen generation plant was commissioned at Lethem Regional Hospital. To demonstrate that the Ministry of Health is taking the fight against cancer seriously, it certified GPHC to perform kidney transplants.
The public can rest assured that we are adhering to all the best international practices.
Following established international protocols, the ministry launched a national action plan aimed at eliminating cervical cancer by 2030. And to curb a rise in mosquito-related illnesses, the ministry distributed 6,200 insecticide-impregnated mosquito nets in Region 1. And in June, the ministry began rolling out nationwide its eye testing and spectacles program.
The Journey to Prosperity for All, celebrating the 4th anniversary of the PPPC's government.